Hello and welcome to the Science of Concrete Materials class. My name is Mahmoud Halawa and I will be the instructor for this class. In this class, I will be talking about concrete. What is concrete? How to make concrete? How to test concrete? That is the fresh properties of concrete, such as workability, and the hardened properties such as strength. We will learn in depth, of course, about all ingredients of the concrete, cement, aggregates, and others such as the admixtures we add to the concrete to enhance and improve its properties. Concrete is the most widely used construction material due to its versatility and availability almost in every locale and the relative low cost as compared to other construction materials. Okay, however, many challenges are still faced by the concrete industry. And it is our responsibility as concrete professionals to overcome these challenges. Challenges such as making concrete structures more durable, more sustainable, and less expensive. This can only be done by learning about the science of concrete and its materials and why concrete behaves the way it behaves. Concrete is a great material, however, as with anything else, it has certain limitations. Understanding these limitations and how to mitigate their impact on the end user, we can make better concrete, more durable and more sustainable. For example, concrete will crack. Understanding how and why this happens will help us mitigate and manage this limitation and make concrete more durable, as I said. So again, in this class, we will be studying in detail concrete and all the ingredients that make up the concrete. At the end of this class, the students will be provided with a strong background in the area of concrete materials, including an understanding of concrete at the microstructure level. And actually, this explains what you will see at the macro level. Fresh and hardened concrete properties, mixed design, durability aspects, and chemical and mineral admixtures. This class will also build awareness of concrete durability issues and to identify effective material selection, mixture design, and the structural design characteristics that promote durability. Okay, so who will benefit from this class? A wide range of audience will benefit from this class, such as beginners who want to learn about concrete, civil and architectural engineering students, seeking an alternative source of knowledge, for example, practicing engineers and construction professionals such as design engineers, site engineers, supervisors, and construction managers. So if you are a design engineer, for example, you will need to know how to specify concrete to suit your design. If you are a site engineer or a supervisor, you need to know the do's and don'ts in the field. Why and when, for example, to reject or accept the concrete delivered to your site. You will learn the background and the reasoning behind all the tests done on concrete and the standard practices implemented in the field. For example, why does concrete have to be for mixed, transported, placed, and finished within a certain time frame? You will learn the science behind that. and also why we have to cure concrete for an extended period of time. So the above, all this can be accomplished only if the engineers have an in-depth knowledge of the concrete and its materials. So this class will do that. This class will be presented in a simplified, thorough manner, in a logical and chronological order, so that students can follow with ease. This is a complete university level class that covers all required topics in detail. Okay, so let's look at an outline what will be covered in this class. Of course, we will have first an introduction, a summary of the class as a whole, introduction to cement and concrete. We will have a historic perspective on cement and concrete. We will learn the Portland cement manufacture, the Portland cement composition and its specifications. We will learn in detail about Portland cement hydration and the microstructure of the hydrated cement paste. Of course, the structure of the concrete, once we add aggregates to the cement paste. We will study the different types of cements, the special cements. We will talk about the supplementary cementitious materials and blended cements, chemical admixtures. We will study aggregates, of course. We will study the properties of concrete at early ages, the proportioning of concrete mixtures, mixed design, the response of concrete to stresses, how, why. After that, we will study the mechanical properties and the testing of concrete, the dimensional stability of concrete, and the durability to physical and chemical attack. Okay, this is the outline of the subject will be covered. So I hope that you will watch my class, and of course I always welcome any feedback, any comments on anything presented. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Thank you.